The state's case report today shows just under 1,400 people are in hospitals battling COVID. 343 of them are on ventilators. That's an all-time high for Arkansas. Also, right now, there are 500 people in intensive care units. The Department of Health reporting the number of active cases has increased by nearly 200 since yesterday, and there are 2,400 new cases. There were also 33 new deaths reported. As for vaccination, some good news as more Arkansans are rolling up their sleeves. There are now 4,300 more fully immunized Arkansans since yesterday, and 730 more partially immunized.